Hello my hungry community. Today I'm starting this series of bread making, which I'm involved for 5 or 6 years already. Today I would introduce you the wild yeast, and this particular one will be made from the mint, and after all bacteria will rise up from the dead, we can make the mint bread. So let's continue our journey with living bacteria. I will use about 2 tablespoons of raw honey. And few raisins. You can leave your jar for a few days. It can be 2 days, 3 days, till your bacteria will awake. And during the cold weather it can take more time, of course. So during these few days, come and shake your jar a little bit, not vigorously, but just little shake, that all little bacteria will go here and there and spread all around the leaves and water evenly. So I'm gonna be back with you in a few days. Hello my hungry community. Our wild yeast is ready after a few days of fermentation. The water, which you can call wild yeast or some kind of fermented kvass, is pretty tasty. You can drink even straight like that. Chinese people very much recommend to drink this kind of water with fermented herbs and fruits, because it helps for digestion, for detox your body. It reduces the bad smell from your mouth. Chinese people have all kind of opinion about this magic fermentation. Down below this video I will write down all recommendation from the people of wilderness about fermented water or wild yeast. So let's start it. To 60 grams of wild yeast, here I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey, and add 1 teaspoon of salt or less. I'm gonna put like that and mix it again. 200 grams of whole wheat and 200 grams all-purpose organic white. Now make sure that you knead everything very well. So I just do traditional breading. If you want to know more of my recipes, which not really my recipes, but recipe which I use in our everyday diet, you should subscribe somewhere there or there. And yeah, what you have to do just to follow, and you will learn more thing about traditional Eastern Europe cuisine, and also, you know, how to keep yourself healthy and your loved ones. Yay! Yay! You know, try to do everything with the love. What I will do now, I'm gonna make this little bowl and put it in the pot for overnight. Try to be as gentle as possible with this kind of dough. Don't squeeze it too much. Because the wild yeast is not so strong as our sourdough. So So we're gonna let it cool now. Do you want some bread? Do you want some bread? Yay! Someone eats the bread! So people, if carnivore eats my bread, it means it's really good. Wow, this bread is really good. Hey, papoon, papoon.